I'm really happy because I did it. I did it for 3 days up. So yeah, hello again. It's not again. This is my first video that I will upload in YouTube. So I will show you how I make baguette crochet that I wear now. You can see it. I wear it, and this is handmade by me, and you can have it too by watching these tutorials. So make sure you watch it until the end. In this video I will show you the material and step by step from start to finish. Let's enjoy and let's get started. Right, this is the material that we need. We need hook. I am using 4mm hook pen, and then needle, yarn, and the last thing is scissors. Okay, alright, first of all we are gonna making magic chain. This is the way to making magic chain, and after you finish the magic chain, you put your hook into the hole and make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you go to the first hole and grab your yarn and pull through. And then we have the center. I point that and go back to the center like this and grab your yarn again and pull through, make single crochet. Repeat it until 12 single crochet and you will get like this. Okay, so now to make it perfect, go to the stage and put your hook into the stage and grab the yarn, pull through, and do it twice to another stage. When you're done, just cut it off, and yeah, it's down to the step 1. The next is step 2, going to make petals. Alright, the first step is like usual. Grab your yarn and pull through like this, then make a knot. It's kind of like important thing to make a knot so your yarn will stay in there and not going to anywhere. Alright, so the next step we are gonna have 3 chain to make first petal. This is the important thing too. So after you finish 3 chain, you go back to the same hole doing double crochet, but you don't finish it. So double crochet and pull through 2 like this, then double crochet, pull through 2 like this, and you're gonna have 4 unfinished double crochet as I write in the note. Pull through your yarn and chain 1. This is the first petal, and we're gonna move to the next petal. Do the same way, but the next petal until 12 petal, you're gonna have 5 unfinished double crochet. So this is still 4, and then I will add 1 more, and then pull through 2 like this one. So yeah, this is what I mean. We have 5 unfinished double crochet in the next petal. Pull through all the way around like this and chain 1. So this is if you finish your 12 petal, and we're gonna move to the next step. Grab your green yarn or any color that you have. I use green color because I love it, and make a knot. Always make a knot in the first step because it's important thing, so your yarn will stay in there. Make 3 chain, go to the same hole and making double crochet. Okay, so now this is the second double crochet. We're gonna make the third double crochet like this. Do the same way. We have 3 and 1 more. 4. This is 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, what should you do next is make the corner. We make the corner every multiple of 3, so we have 3, 6, 9 and 12 to make the corner. You just need to make 2 chain and go back to the same hole, this hole, not this one but this one. Going to here and grab your yarn, pull through, make double crochet, 4 double crochet in every hole, and then until you gonna have look like this one. Yes, you're gonna have look like this one. And the next step is make a row. So the function of the row is actually to make a size or measurement. It means if you want to make a bigger bucket than mine, you should make more rows than mine. Alright, we do the same thing, make 3 chain and go to the next hole like this and make double crochet. This is the first double crochet and this is the second double crochet that I make. Just follow the step and I'm sure you can practice it on your home and you can save your money to buy this packet crochets, because it will be expensive if you buy in another creator or artist. So repeat it until you go to in there and until you have like this. But no, okay, I'm going to tell you something. Actually I did 3 rows, but in this video I just make 2 rows. I'm sorry, actually I did 3 rows because in the first time I make 2 rows, but then when I try it into my head I feel it's too tiny and I can wear it, so I rework again and I forget to record it. So make 3 rows, guys. Okay, so now imagine that it's 3 rows, guys, and go to the hole, the nearest hole, and grab your yarn and pull through, and you're gonna do twice. Go to this hole, to the nearest hole, and grab your yarn and then pull through. So this is the way it look like my granny square. Maybe there are a better tutorial that you need to watch, but can enjoy my messy tutorial. So now I have 5 granny square and I will connect it 4 as a side and 1 on the top. So yeah, I will connect it all them off and I will use it as a front of my packet head and this side as the inside of my packet head, and then I will connect it from inside. Remember, I connected from inside, so it's like sewing. You connect it from the inside, guys. Next step, still the same way, grab your yarn and pull through like this and make a knot. So make sure you always make a knot in the first step. After that, make chain 1 and then go to the next stage, to this stage, both of them, and put your hook into there. Also grab your yarn again like this and pull through. Okay, I will repeat it. So go to the next stage, both of them, and then grab your yarn again and pull through. If you're done with this, just finish all the way around and then connect it for all granny square like this to make the side of my cake. So I will add 1 to the top. Okay, so 1 for the top and you will get look like this. So now I'm going to make accessories by joining soft yellow yarn. So I will add more yarn in here. So here is a hole and I will make 3 chain first and then go to the same hole again and make 6 double crochet, or if you want you can have more double crochet, but I just need 6 double crochet. Do the same way on the next hole. I do 6 double crochet in every hole. This is the second double crochet and the third double crochet, and 4 double crochet until 6, guys. And then finish all the way around until you got it look like this. I repeated twice in the soft yellow yarn, so I have look like this. And now we're gonna move to the next step. It means the final step. Grab your needle and then take a useless yarn and then go to the random stitch and pull through and make a knot in there, so it will be make it perfect. Or you can cut it off, just cut it off because you already crochet before. You can do the same way as I did. So this is the final result, and see ya in the next tutorial, guys. Goodbye.